jump out on my bed. B is for banana, long and yellow, a happy, energetic fellow. Is for cherry, two little beads, planting all the healthy seeds. E is for date, so sweet and chewy, makes me strong and never gloomy. E is for elderberry, dark and tiny, making juices bright and shiny. F is for fig, a treat so nice, sweet its flavor, worth the price. G is for grapes, in a bunch they hang, what a juicy little twang. H is for honeydew, green and cool, a perfect fruit for me in school. Oh, ah, la, 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 la. I is for Indian plum, found near the shore, always wanted to eat, always wanted to eat one more. J is for jackfruit, big and spiky, eating chunks makes me quite lively. K is for kiwi, fuzzing brown, healthiest fruit in the whole in town. L is for lemon, sour and bright, a splash of zing day and night. M is for mango, king of all fruits, the best summer treat that upshoots. N is for nectarine, smooth and sweet, a juicy delight, can't be beat. O is for orange, round and bright, filled with vitamin C, a sunny sight. P is for pineapple, prickly crown, fruity flavor all over town. Q is for quince, a golden pear, makes the best jelly beyond compare. R is for raspberry, tiny and tart, a little red jewel right from the start. S is for strawberry, red and sweet, the perfect dessert right from the start. S is for strawberry, red and sweet, the perfect dessert, a joyful treat. T is for tangerine, easy to peel, a little orange buddy, how happy I feel. A sweet little berry, makes me feel happy and very merry. Q is for velvet tamarind, dark and soft, unique taste carried aloft. U is for watermelon, pink and fresh, a huge juicy fruit in a create. Help everybody needs good is fresh. Right is for shigo, another name for water fruit, always good for summer pursuit. I is for yellow passion, tangy and strong, a sweet sour taste all day long. C is for ziziphus, also known as jubit, a healthy little fruit for you and me.
Did you enjoy this story? Please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Little Chimes so you don't miss the next sweet tune.